glitches happen. No problem, but you did a wonderful recitation. Thanks once again. Okay, thank you so much.
Mataji, can I chant?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you so much, Amrit Prabhuji.
Yes, it's always a pleasure to hear your wisdom.
Yeah, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Manjulila Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Dandavat
Mataji.
pranam.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Dandavat pranam to you also, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Yes, Hare Krishna, everyone. So today we will discuss chapter number 10. Yes, just go live. Yes, done. Hare Krishna Gautam Prabhu, Hare Krishna Navin Prabhu. I hope all are doing well. Yeah, after listening to chapter number 9, yeah, you might have got the information who Krishna is. Even better, isn't it? Yeah, better than before from chapter number 1. How are you people feeling? Did you know Krishna was Supreme Personality of Godhead before attending the Bhagavad Gita class? Yes, Roshan Prabhu, Hare Krishna. Mohandas Prabhuji, Hare Krishna. Ashish Prabhu, Hare Krishna. Did you people know that Krishna was the Supreme Personality of Godhead? He is our father. He's our mother. Did you know this? Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. No? You all are in shock or what? No one is responding. Hare Krishna. Did you know who Krishna was? What is all Krishna telling to us in Bhagavad Gita chapter number 9, up to chapter number 9? Did you were aware of this? Isn't it very surprising? Yeah, we kept ourselves away from the knowledge what Krishna wanted us, all of us to know, isn't it? We are just kept away from it, isn't it? Yes. So Krishna tells in the previous chapters, we saw he said that who is Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna Mataji, Pushpa Mataji, Mohandas Prabhuji. Navin Prabhuji knew, but Krishna as avatar and Krishna has Supreme was clear. Very good, Prabhuji. Yes, Krishna was avatar of Mahavishnu. Yes. I have to hear and read more and more to understand Lord Krishna. Yes, Roshan Prabhuji, you're absolutely right. You have to. Yeah. Krishna has said the right person who has knowledge, he will see a dog, a dog eater. He will also see an elephant, a cow, and a learned brahmana. Everyone equal, isn't it? Krishna one side said, this is how a person having a right knowledge will see everyone equal, isn't it? Then, for doing devotional service to Krishna, everyone is given opportunity, isn't it? In yesterday's chapters, we came to know that. Yeah, Krishna said everyone is allowed to do devotional service. And if you do devotional service, for sure, you will get the ultimate supreme abode of Sri Krishna. You will get to there without fail. Yes. So we'll start today's class with pranama mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Taking the blessings of my Siksha Guru Namanista Dasa. Nama Om Vishnu Padhaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Jai Pataka Swamin Iti Namine Nama Acharya Padhaya Nitai Krupa Pradhaine Gaurakata Dhamadaya Nagara Gramatarine Nama Om Vishnu Padhaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunnitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadhamayam Dadati Swapadanitam. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavanscha Shri Rupam Sagradatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padhan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakanvitanscha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभय एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जयो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, for the pleasure of Shri Radha Govinda, we will start today's class. So, today, 10th chapter. Yeah, we are in the 10th chapter. It's about Vibhuti Yoga, the opulence of the absolute. So we came to know Krishna is the absolute. So what all opulences he has, what all vibhuti he has, yeah? We'll just check out in this chapter number 10. So in this chapter, Krishna is unknowable and the source of all. Pure bhakti, the essence of Bhagavad Gita. Arjuna accepts Krishna's supreme position. Krishna describes his vibhuti. That is why this chapter is called Vibhuti Yoga. Hare Krishna. So what happened? If you know Mahabharata, you will be knowing the scene. Yeah? The war, they all planned for this battle. Everyone is ready for the battle. Now everyone has taken both the sides. Yeah, some are with Arjuna, some are with Duryodhana. So the only person left over was Shri Krishna. So what happened? Arjuna first goes to meet Krishna and ask him, which side will he be present in the battle? So what happened when Arjuna went? He saw that Krishna was sleeping. Krishna, dear friend is Arjuna, isn't it? Yeah, and he knows what is dharma. He's very humble, isn't it? What he did, he saw Krishna sleeping. He did not want to disturb him. So he just went and sat down near the feet of Krishna. He sat down there at the foot of Krishna. Then Duryodhana also came. He saw Krishna sleeping, and next to Krishna there was a chair. He went and sat there. Yes. So here only you can see how different the humbleness is, right? Then what happened? As soon as Krishna got up, he saw Arjuna because he was sleeping. I mean, he was sitting next to his feet itself, isn't it? So he saw and asked Arjuna, what do you want? So he requested Krishna, which side will you fight? Will you be with me or the opposite side? So what happens? Krishna will give an option to both of them. One is, Hare Krishna, someone's mic is on. Yes, one is, what is it? I will be on your side. If you want me to be on your side, then only I'll be present as a charioteer. Okay, I will not be taking up any weapon in my hand. And the second option is, I am going to give you my army, the very powerful army. Yeah, there are not one or two people, there are many people in that. The soldiers are too many. Yeah, if you want to know about the power of Krishna's army, you can read Mahabharata. Yeah, so he had such a powerful army. So he gave an option to both of them. If you want me, then it's like, I'm not going to take part in the war. Yeah, but you can have my army, which is completely equipped and very, very skillful, and they're very powerful also. Yeah. So this is what was the option. What did Arjuna do? Arjuna do, any idea? Of course, we all know that Arjuna chose Krishna. And Duryodhana started laughing. He said, Are you're a fool. You have chosen Krishna, who is not going to touch the weapon. What is the use of having Krishna? So who is the fool here? Who is the fool here? Arjuna or Duryodhana? Who is the fool? Who is the fool? What do you people think? Who is the fool? Hare Krishna. Duryodhana is the fool. Then we are also fools, isn't it? What are we doing? We are not choosing Krishna, isn't it? We are not choosing Krishna. What are we choosing? His army, his material energy. We are choosing that, isn't it? The most powerful army, like how Duryodhana chose instead of Krishna. We are also doing same thing. We are choosing this material energy, which is very powerful. We are not choosing Krishna, who is controlling this power, isn't it? Yes. So this is the beauty of all of us. Yeah. If you know what Krishna is, if you know what is his power, if you have the knowledge about Krishna, then only you can understand whom you should choose, isn't it? So I always tell the small little incident to all of them. Yeah, it's a very simple because we can relate to it. If you want to go for shopping with your parent and your parent is very, very busy and they will tell, see, I'll give you some money, you go and do shopping. Yeah. A kid who is very, not so intelligent, what he will do, okay, Papa, give me money, I'll go do shopping and come. But an intelligent kid will choose his father. Come, father, Papa, let's go. Why? Because he is the source of all the income, isn't it? Yeah. That little money, what you will do? You need father, isn't it? Yeah. If your father is there, if something is really valuable and you need to purchase and you need extra money, father will think what is right for you and he'll get you the best. Isn't it? Yeah. If you have the money, in that only limited, you have to buy things. Yeah. What if you don't get into that money itself? You might need extra money. You might come back, isn't it? Very simple. Similarly, if you're with Krishna, he knows what is right for us, what is good for us. Yeah. And he will do the best only for us. And moreover, will have his protection. Going alone as a child for shopping, having father and going, you will be very careless. Why? We know father is with me. Is there with me. I can do whatever. I need not worry who is seeing me, who is following me. I need not bother. Isn't it? Yeah. That is how even we should be. We should not be like Duryodhana. We should be like Arjuna. Yes. So we should know why Krishna is so powerful. Why should we choose him only? Then this chapter is one of the very important chapter for us. So here Krishna tells, my dear friend, mightily armed Arjuna, listen again to my supreme word, which I shall impart to you for your benefit and which will give you great joy. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Name
Krishna.
vidu suraganaha aham adirhi deva maharishi chaturvashaha.
Hare Krishna. So the shloka number 2 of chapter number 10, Krishna is telling, neither the host of demigods nor the great sages know my origin. For in every respect, I am the source of demigods and the sages. Aham Adir, he Devanam Maharshinam cha Sarvashaha. He is the source of demigods. Yesterday, someone asked me, yeah, why they are called demigods. Huh? They asked, what about our home god? What about Krishna? Whom to worship? So the source of all the Devana, Maharshinam, everyone is Krishna. Source for us is also Krishna. All living, non-living is also Krishna. And if you worship Krishna, you worship everyone. So who is more intelligent? The one who is worshipping everyone, or choosing just one personality and worshipping? Yes, that is why the information given in chapter number 10 is very, very important. Krishna will tell us why it's very important further. Yeah, you can see here, we have Krishna is he's about to take birth, yeah, on this earth. At that time, his mother, Devaki, was very much worried. What will happen as soon as this baby is born? Because it's the 8th baby. And this baby is born, Kamsa is for sure going to kill. So she was very much worried. Devanu Devatas, everyone comes and they'll do prayer. You should read Srimad Bhagavatam. Beautiful prayer they will do and tell Devaki, please don't worry. Your son is not a normal person. Yeah, he's not just a normal kid. It's very powerful. You should read Srimad Bhagavatam to know all these things. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
Krishna Mataji. Yo mam ajammanadcha vetti lokamaheshwaram asammudha samarteshu sarva papai pramuchyate.
Hare Krishna. He who knows me as the unborn, as the beginningless, as the supreme Lord of all the worlds, he only, undiluted among men, is freed from all sins. Just knowing who Krishna is, that's all. That is why they tell Srimad Bhagavatam, you should hear. Yeah, they'll do Bhagavata Saptaha, 7 days. They'll, recite the shlokas in Srimad Bhagavatam and they preach, isn't it? Yeah, they give classes on Srimad Bhagavatam because if you know that Krishna is not born like us, he's unborn. There is no, beginning for him. There is no end for him. He is always there. If you just know this much, you will be freed from all sins. Papai pramuchyate. Sarva papai, all the sins, you will be freed. That is the gift you get, yeah, when you know Sri Krishna, Intelligence, knowledge, freedom from doubt and delusion, forgiveness, truthfulness, control of all senses, control of the mind, happiness and distress, birth, death, fear, fearlessness, non-violence, equanimity, satisfaction, austerity, charity, fame, and infamy. All these various qualities of living beings are created by me alone. See, whatever we have the characteristics, whatever, we all are living beings, isn't it? Whatever characteristics we have, which Krishna has listed here, it's all because of Krishna. He is the one giving to us. Yeah, he's the one. The 7 great sages, and before them, the 4 other great sages and the Manus come from me, born from my mind, and all the living beings populating the various planets descend from them. Yeah, they are all the different ministers. They're doing the service for Krishna. They're given some duties. They're all doing. But who are they? They're all originating from Sri Krishna. Yes, but people who are having less knowledge, yeah, poor knowledge, they think that I am from this sage, I am from this Manu, I am from here. No, the source is who? Krishna. Source is Sri Krishna. So can you tell me who are the 7 sages, the Saptarishis? Any idea? And the 4 Kumaras who came before them? Saptarishis, 4 Kumaras. Any idea? 4 Kumaras at least you should be knowing, no? The sons of Brahma. Because of them, Jaya Vijaya were cursed and they had to take up the body of demon on the earth for 3 lives. Any idea? Who are the 7 sages? Hare Krishna. Bhrugu, yes. Navin Prabhu, yes. One of them is Bhrugu Maharaj. Then Atri, yes. Rekha Mataji, very good. Yeah. Then Kashyapa, okay. Then Jaya Mishra, Saptarishi, Kashyapa, Atri, Vashishta, Vishwamitra, Gautama, Bharatwaja. Yes. Yes, Samya Shri Mataji, very good. I don't know last one. Gautam Prabhu. Very good. You answered other things. Kashyapa, Atri, Vashishta, Vishwamitra, Gautama, Jamadagni, and Bharadwaja. And the four Kumaras are Sanaka Kumara, Sanatana Kumara, Sananandana Kumara, and Sanat Kumara. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Yeah. They all are originating from Krishna. Yes. Now one question comes. I kept on telling and we described about what is Hare Krishna Mahamantra. We saw from where we got the source of Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and we told for Kali Yuga, chanting Hare Krishna mantra is only the yagna to do. If you chant enough, no need to do anything. But in this chapter, we are knowing Krishna's opulences. Yeah. What is the need of knowing the glories of Krishna? Any idea? Why should you know about Krishna? What is the use? You simply sit and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, no? Why we want to read Bhagavad Gita? Why we want to know about Krishna? Why we have to read Srimad Bhagavatam and know him even more personally? Is there any use? Should we not read it? Shall we just chant? Hare Krishna. Bhakti will increase. How the bhakti will increase? Only then we will be able to chant also with devotion. How? By knowing glory with yes, how? Yes, if you want to know a person, what you should do? Yeah, if you want to love a person, if you want to be a friend to a person, if you want to like him or her, love and attachment, you should know. Yes, you should know about them. Yes, he's everything. We can attach ourselves to Krishna. Very good, very good. So if you want to, love a person, be close to him, be a friend to him, to be supporting him, what you should do? You should know about him. So Krishna has told us in previous chapter, a devotion service done without faith of no use, isn't it? You need to do devotional service with faith. Yes, Samya Shri Mataji. Without knowing about Krishna, chanting is not possible to the best, isn't it? When you know who Krishna is, when you know who is so powerful, then only you know, oh yes, he is my protector. Yes, that is a place I have to go. And you will strongly meditate on him, isn't it? So we all, if we have a problem, what we will do? We will go to our friends, we will go to our elders, isn't it? Yeah, we will go to our elders. But an intelligent person will go to whom? He'll take the shelter of whom? Like Archana did, he will take shelter of Krishna. Yes, Adya Mataji. Everything is from Krishna. Everything. Everything means everything. So it includes good and bad, everything. Yes. He is the pain, he is the joy, and he is the love. Yes, Prabhuji. iPhone Prabhuji or Mataji. Yes. Yes, Mataji. Krishna gives the answer here. Yes, Mataji.
Etam vibhutim yogam cha mamam yo veti tattvataha so vikalpena yogena yochyate natra samshayah.
Hare Krishna. He who knows in truth this glory, the vibhuti of Krishna, this glory of and power of mine, engages in unalloyed devotional service. Yeah, you should know about Krishna. Then only you can surrender to him, isn't it? Then only you can be faithfully serving him. Then only you can do properly the devotional service as Krishna has said. Of this, there is no doubt. Natra samshayaha. There is no doubt at all. A person who knows me and he can't do devotional service, not at all possible. So once he knows the opulences of mind, the power of mind, he will be engaged in unalloyed devotional service. So if you want to continue in devotional service, with having too much of, faith in determination, then what we have to do? We should read Srimad Bhagavad Gita and we should read Srimad Bhagavatam. They give you the complete details about who Krishna is. Who Krishna is. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
Aham sarvasya prabhavah मत्तः सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुधा भावसमन्विताः.
Hare Krishna. I am the source of all spiritual and material world. All. Aham sarvasya. Sarvasya. Everything. There is nothing which doesn't originate from Krishna. Everything comes from Krishna. Everything emanates from me. Again, sarvam. Everything emanates from me. The wise who know this perfectly engage in my devotional service. Bhajante mam. Yeah, bhajante mam. They engage in themselves in the devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. So that is why you need to know Krishna. That is why you should take up the studies of Bhagavad Gita seriously if you want to do devotional service. Yes, yes, Mataji.
मच्चित्ता मद्गतप्राणाः बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च.
Hare Krishna. Machitta Madgata Prana. What is this? Shloka number 9. The thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are surrendered to me, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss, enlightening one another and conversing about me. This is what is the characteristics of a devotee who has completely surrendered to Krishna. Their thoughts are always pure. Why? Because their thoughts are always in Krishna. It is full of Krishna. Their thoughts are full of Krishna. Yeah. Their lives is surrendered to Krishna. And what they do? They derive great satisfaction. How? And they have bliss. How? Enlightening one another and conversing about me. That is Sri Krishna. What do we do? You know what happened in match? You don't know what happened in the office? You know that serial, what happened? The show? Oh my God. Yeah, we sit and talk. You know what happened? This politics? Yeah. You know what happened in the next home? Yeah, we are engaged in material gossiping, which is of no use. It is of no use to us, isn't it? We're just wasting energy talking the things which are of no use. But what do the devotees of Shri Krishna do? They talk about Krishna. Yeah, they'll tell others, you know what Krishna has told in chapter number 9? We all will be protected by the divine nature if we serve Krishna. Yes, he told Arjuna to declare his devotees never perish. You know, he has said like this. Yeah, he told us anyone can do devotional service, even if you committed all kind of sins. The time you take up devotional service, then you should be considered as perfect. Yeah, and when you do devotional service, you will immediately, yeah, get the supreme abode. This is powerful. This is what Krishna is. We don't talk. What do we talk? The things which are related to material thing. Yeah. But what do devotees do?
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
Hare Krishna. So you saw that 70-year-old, 70-year young man, yeah, the devotee of Lord, how beautifully he's dancing and chanting and making others. For your kind information, it was not India. It was not India. You saw how many devotees here. That was Jagannatha Ratha Yatra. Yes, sorry. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam dadhami buddhi yogam tam yena mamupayanti te.
Hare Krishna. Those who are constantly satata, yuktanam, devoted and worship me with love. Yes, with love. It's very important. I give the understanding by which they can come to me. Yesterday, I told you people an example. What it is? You just get ready, put all your clothes, yeah, put the bag, shoes, everything, keep water bottle, everything, and be ready. Just stand in that road where it leads to Krishna. Enough. He will make all the arrangements. So this is the next arrangement. He is telling us, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. You should just choose the path of Krishna. That is the free will Krishna has given to us. Like how Arjuna chose Krishna, we should choose Krishna. Krishna, I want you. That's it. That's it you need to do. Krishna will do all the arrangements. He will do all the arrangements. Out of compassion for them, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. When we come to the material world, because of ignorance, we forget Krishna. We forget what we are to Krishna. Our relationship, we forget. So once you take up this devotional service as your goal of your life, Krishna will destroy all that ignorance, the darkness in your heart, yeah, by the light of knowledge. Jnana Deepena. He will do that also for us. Yes, he's going to protect us. Yeah, whatever we don't have, he'll give to us. Whatever we have is going to protect. Yeah, and he's telling for sure they are going to come. They are my dear friends, and I will give them whatever they required. I will give them the knowledge. Everything they require to come in my path, I will supply. Who will give you so much of assurance? Yeah, so clear-cut Krishna is telling, isn't it? Hare Krishna. So one of the best example is Bali Chakravarti. Bali Chakravarti is the devotee of the Lord. Yes, but he is born as a demon. Yes, he was born as a demon. So what happened? He had won over all the planets, yeah? The higher planets, lower planets, he had taken up everything. So what happened? The Lord wanted to see the bhakti of his devotee. So what he did, he came as Vamana, the small little boy. Yeah, he just came to him and asked, because Bali Chakravarti, he was a devotee, isn't it? Yeah. So whenever someone asks anything for charity, he has to give. Yeah. So this Vamana, he'll go and ask just a small land. How much? The land which covers the small feet, his feet, yeah, Vamana's feet, just 3 steps of space. Yeah. So what happened at that time? Vamana, when he asked like that, Bali Chakravarti's guru. Who is Bali Chakravarti's guru? Any idea? Who is the Bali Chakravarti's guru? All the Daityas. Guru is? Any idea? Hare Krishna. They're all very powerful. Shukracharya. Yes, Samya Mataji. Yes, yes, Roshan Prabhu, Nita Mataji. Yes, he will say, no, Bali Chakravarti, please hold on, don't go so fast. Yeah, don't listen to this fellow. He's such a small boy who needs just 3 feet of land. This is something. He's a Mayavi, huh? He's not a normal person. Yeah, he has disguised himself. Don't listen to him. So what happens? Bali Chakravarti will not listen to his guru. What he will do? He will, decide to give that land. So what he will do? He will take that kamandala where he has to put the water. Yeah. So that telling that I'm giving this land for you. Yeah. To Amana. So what happened when he was about to pour? Shukracharya wanted to avoid it. What he did, he became so small that he went to the, the mouth of that kamandala and he blocked it so that the water doesn't flow. So to check what has happened, Bali Chakravarti takes a grass and he pokes through the hole. So to remove the blockage and so that he can put the water. Yeah. So when he poked that grass, it pricked the eyes of Shukracharya. That is why he doesn't have one eye. Yeah, he pricked it and he did the charity. So what happened at that time? The small little boy grew so big and big and big that one leg he kept on the material world, one leg went there up, yeah. And where to keep the another one, the last step? So Bali Chakravarti understood. He is my Lord. Yes, he said, please, Lord, keep your last step on my head. So there are 9 types of devotional service. The last one, first one is Shravanam, Kirtanam. Shravanam means listening about the Lord. Kirtanam means, talking about the Lord, chanting, singing about the God. And the last one, the 9th one is Atmanivedanam, surrendering completely. For that, we give example of Bali Chakravarti only. He surrendered himself completely. Yeah. And that is why even after being a demon, till today we worship him. Yes, we worship him. That is how the devotees are there. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Arjuna Uvacha Param Brahma Param Dhama Pavitram Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adidevam Ajam Vibhum Ahustvam Rishayas Sarve Devarshit Naradastata Asito Devalo Vyasaha Swayam Chaiva Bravishime.
Hare Krishna. So after listening to all this thing which Krishna said, Arjuna is saying, you are the supreme Brahman, the ultimate, the supreme abode, Param Brahma, Param Dhama, Pavitram, the supreme abode and the purifier, the absolute truth and the eternal divine person, Purusham. You are the primal God, transcendental and original, and you are the unborn and all-pervading beauty, Adidevam. You are the primal, means he was first. All the great sages such as Narada, Asita, Devala, and Vyasa proclaim this of you, and now you yourself are declaring it to me. Arjuna had listened these things from whom? All these great sages. And today Krishna is telling himself about his opulence. Yes. So he's understanding and he accepts that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Oh Krishna, I totally accept as the truth all that you have told me. Neither the gods nor the demons, oh Lord, know thy personality. Indeed, you alone know yourself by your own potency. No one can understand Krishna. O origin of all, Lord of all beings, God of gods, O supreme person, Lord of the universe. Yes, how Arjuna accepted Krishna. Yeah, the same way we should also accept Krishna. Then only we can understand Bhagavad Gita. Then only we can know Krishna as Supreme Personality of Godhead, then only we can be friend of Krishna, but never envious of Krishna. And by all these things, we can do with the great determination, our mind always fixed in Krishna, the devotional service, the devotional service. How should I meditate on you? In what various forms are you to be contemplated, O blessed Lord? Tell me again in detail, O Janardana, of your mighty potency and glories, for I never tire of hearing your ambrosial words. Such a beautiful thing. If you want to know you love Krishna, if you want to know you are a devotee of Krishna, very simple. If someone is telling about Krishna, you should feel very happy listening. Yeah, you want some people to keep on telling about Krishna. You're never satisfied. Then you're the devotee of Krishna. It's very simple, isn't it? If you listen a song and if you like it, you keep on listening it. Repeatedly, you keep on listening. You like a movie, you keep on seeing that movie. You tell, this is a movie I like. Yeah, this is the dialogue like that. Yes. And if you are the devotee of Krishna, whom you love so much, then you will never be satisfied just once knowing about Krishna. You want to know all the glories of Krishna. You will be never bored. Yeah, tired of hearing about Krishna. That is the another feature of Arjuna, where we are seeing, for which we can understand he was the right candidate to get the knowledge from Sri Krishna directly. Yeah. So, O Janardana, again, please describe in detail the mystic power of your opulences. I am never satiated in hearing about you. For the more I hear, the more I want to taste the nectar of your words. Yes, our loved ones, yeah, we want them to keep on talking with us, isn't it? We want to be with them. We want to always hear them, right? So the Supreme Personality of Godhead said, yes, I will tell you of my splendorous manifestation, but only of those which are prominent. Because no one can understand Krishna. That's impossible. So since his friend, his devotee is asking, Krishna is telling, he will tell only those which are prominent. Oh Arjuna, for my opulence is limitless, limitless. So I am the super soul, Paramatma. Oh Arjuna, seated in the hearts of all living entities. I am the beginning, the middle, and the end of all beings. Of the Adityas, I am Vishnu. Of the light, I am radiant sun. Of Marutas, I am Marichi. And among the stars, I am the moon. Please remember these things. At the end, we have a question answer, okay? Of priests, O Arjuna, know me to be the chief Brihaspati. Of generals, I am Kartikeya. And of bodies, of water, I am the ocean. Of all the Rudras, I am Lord Shiva. Of Yakshas and Rakshasas, I am the Lord of Wealth, Kuvera. Of the Vasus, I am fire, that is Agni. And of the mountains, I am Meru, the Meru Parvata. Of the great sages, I am Bhrigu. Of vibrations, I am transcendental Om. Of sacrifices, I am the chanting of the holy names, Japa. So when I was telling you about the glories of Harinam, I said Krishna has told in chapter number 10, shloka number 25, of all the sacrifices, he is the chanting of holy name. So that is why we all chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra in Kali Yuga. And of immovable things, I am the Himalayas. Of all the trees, I am the banyan tree. And of the sages among the demigods, I am Narada. Of the Gandharvas, I am Chitraratha. And among perfected beings, I am the sage Kapila. Of the many hooded Nagas, I am Ananta. And among the aquatics, I am the demigod Varuna. Of departed ancestors, I am Aryama. And among the dispensers of law, I am Yama, and the Lord of the death. Of weapons, I am the thunderbolt. Among cows, I am the Surabhi. Of causes for procreation, I am Kandarpa. the god of love, and of serpents I am Vasuki. Among the Daitya demons, I am the devoted Prahalada. Among subduers, I am time, the Kala. Among beasts, I am the lion. And among the birds, I am Garuda. Of all creation, I am the beginning and the end, and also the middle. He is everything. Oh Arjuna, of all sciences, I am the spiritual science of the self. And among logicians, I am the conclusive truth. Of letters, I am the letter A, the first letter A, yeah. And among compound words, I am the dual compound. I am also inexhaustible time. And of creators, I am Brahma. I am all devouring death, and I am the generating principle of all that yet to be. Among women, I am fame, fortune, fine speech, memory, intelligence, steadfastness, and patience. I am also the gambling of cheats, and of the splendid, I am the splendor. I am the victory, I am adventure, and I am the strength of the strong. I am the hymns in the Samaveda. I am Bhrit Sama. I am a of poetry, I am Gayatri. Of months, I am Mrigashira, that is November to December. Of seasons, I am flower-bearing spring. Among all means of suppressing lawlessness, I am punishment. And of those who seek victory, I am morality. Of secret things, I am silence. And of the wise, I am the wisdom. Of the descendants of Vrishni, I am Vasudeva. And of the Pandavas, I am Arjuna. Of the sages, I am Vyasa. And among great thinkers, I am Ushana. Furthermore, Arjuna, I am the generating seed of all existence. There is no being, moving or non-moving, that can exist without me. Yeah, finally Krishna is telling, nothing is there. Yeah, nothing is there. Oh, mighty conqueror of enemies, there is no end to my divine manifestations. What I have spoken to you is but a mere indication of my infinite opulences. This only I got tired. Yeah. Continuously I'm reading, isn't it? That itself is like just very little percentage. Yeah. Because his opulence is infinite. O mighty conqueror of enemies, there is no end to my divine manifestation. What I have spoken to you is but a mere indication of my infinite opulence. Where we are somewhere here in one small little universe. There are millions and billions of universe. Everything he is taking control. Yeah. How can we understand his opulence? Not possible. We don't even look like a hand for him. We'll be so tiny. Yeah. We're very, very small. Yes. So here Krishna tells, yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
Yad vibhuti mat sattvam shri vaturjitameva cha tat evavagachatvam mama tejomsha sambhavam. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Know that all beautiful, glorious, and mighty creations spring from but a spark of my splendor. Just one little spark. You on the gas stove, no? You have one spark. Yeah. The lighter will have one small spark of fire. Gas will catch fire, isn't it? Like that. Just a little spark of Krishna. This entire creation is done. Everything exists because of just that little spark, the splendor, the spark of this little splendor of Sri Krishna. It is the reason for all this creation. Yes. So Krishna tells here, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Athava bahunaitina tena tavarjuna Vishtabhyaham idham kritsnam ekam stena stito jagat.
Hare Krishna. But what need is there, Arjuna, for all this detailed knowledge? Why should you know all these opulences, yeah, which is limitless? Yeah, what is it required? With a single fragment of myself, I pervade and support this entire universe. A single fragment. Yeah. So please see, this picture will give you a clue. What is that single fragment? Yeah, which is pervaded, yeah, and it supports this entire universe. What is that single fragment? Yeah, fragment, I'm sorry. What is that single fragment Krishna is talking about here? Anyone can guess? Any idea? What is that fragment he's talking about? With a single fragment of myself, yeah, I, soul, no, with a single fragment of myself, I pervade and support this entire universe. We soul don't support, isn't it? Yeah. He is everywhere, pervade in this entire universe. As what? Any idea? The energy, yes, which energy? Within us. What is that energy? Harika Mataji. As the super soul, as Paramatma. Yeah, that it's fragment of himself, isn't it? He is supporting everything. We cannot support. We are soul. We don't have so much of power. Only Krishna has. Yes. So just that Paramatma, yeah, the super soul in everyone's heart, means he's there in the heart of ant also. Yeah, just that small little fragment itself is controlling this entire universe. That only we are not able to understand. Do you know what is the size of soul? What is the size of the soul? Any idea? Any idea? If you read chapter number 2, you will get the answer. And the puppet Prabhupada has given the answer. Any idea what is the size of us, the soul? What is our size? How big we are? Can we see the soul? Hare Krishna. 1/8 of the neutron. 1/8 of the neutron. This is the first time I'm hearing the scale. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, we have another scale, Mataji. Fraction of tip of the air. Yeah, what kind of fraction, Jaya Mishra Mataji? You're right. How much? How much? Yeah, you have to take the tip of the air. You need to cut it into 100 pieces, then take one piece, then again cut it into 100 pieces. That one piece you get, no, that is the size of soul. If it was so big, when we leave this body, when we, leave this body, everyone can see that soul leaving the body. We cannot see this normal eyes. We cannot see. It's so tiny, cute little thing. Yeah. And Paramatma also is there. It's so small. That small little fragment itself is controlling this universe. That only we are not able to understand. How will we understand the opulence of Krishna? Yes, it's not possible. It's not possible. Yes. So the question now, if you heard properly, you will answer properly. Among Aditya, Lord Krishna is? Any idea? Among Aditya, what is Sri Krishna? Vishnu. Sun. Rekha Mataji is telling Vishnu. Yeah? Yes. Then among stars, Lord Krishna is? This should be easy for you people. Among stars, Sri Krishna is? Moon. Yes. Sun. Neeta Mataji said sun now. I think it was for the previous one. Huh? Both is wrong. And of sacrifices, Lord Krishna is? Which I tell every day for you people. of the sacrifices Sri Krishna is? What is he? Of all the yagnas, I am dash yagna. I quoted it before also. Of all the yagnas, I am japa yagna, nama yagna. Yes, Padma Priya Mataji. Chanting of holy name. Among trees, Lord Krishna is? This should be easy. Yes. Banyan tree. Among great sages, Lord Krishna is? Oh, all are answering. So sweet. You all are attentively listening. Oh, wonderful. Brigo. Yes, very good. Adya Mataji, Jaya Shri Mataji, Somya Shri Mataji. Very good. Then, among sages, among sage of demigods, Lord Krishna is? This also is easy. Narada, Anita Mataji, yes, you're right. Very good. Among immovable things, Lord Krishna is? Very good, Adya Mataji. Himalaya. Among horses, Lord Krishna is? This is little difficult. Mohan Prabhuji, Himalaya, yes. Mohan Das Prabhuji, right. Among horses, Lord Krishna is? Uchishraya. Very good, Nita Mataji. Very good. Uchishrava. Among the bees, Lord Krishna is? This is very easy, huh? Among bees, Lord Krishna is lion. All are answering. Very good. Very good. Yes. Among Daitya, Lord Krishna is? Daitya, demons. Prahalad. Yes, Mohandas Prabhuji, Nita Mataji, you're right. Among cows, Lord Krishna is, I'm sorry, I pressed fast. Surapi. Yeah, it was the easy one. Among signs, Lord Krishna is? You people also answered. That's so sweet. Among signs, Lord Krishna is? What signs? Nana science? Physical science, analytical science. Very good, Adya Mataji, Priti Mataji. Spiritual science. Very good. Among poetry, Lord Krishna is? Gayatri. Very good, Priti Mataji, Nita Mataji. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Well done, everyone. Well done. Yes. So please know the opulence of Krishna. When you know opulence of Krishna, you know how powerful he is. Who is the controller? Yeah, when you know who is the controller, and if you have a problem and you tell him, Krishna, you are the controller, yeah, help me, then he will help, isn't it? So if you want to, if you are a friend of the Prime Minister, yeah, you can directly go to Prime Minister, isn't it? You need not ask the watchman. You need not take an appointment, wait in a hall where the PA tells sit down, you can meet the Prime Minister later. No, that's not required. Once you know who is the Prime Minister and you become friend, you can directly go. Yeah. So please don't waste this life, which is very difficult to get. The human life is very, very, very difficult. After many, many lives, how many lives? Lives are many. The types of body we get, 84 lakh species body we get. After that only we get the human body. Don't waste this opportunity. Yeah, Krishna has given us so much options, isn't it? He just wants us to be back to him. Where? In Goloka Vrindavan. Yes. So what you have to do? Sincerely try to do devotional service to Krishna. Read the Bhagavad Gita, understand even more better. Yeah, you might be having too much of doubts, isn't it? Please understand clearly. Once you get the right knowledge, you will be having the faith on Krishna and you can do devotional service with determination, complete determination. You will never be deluded. Yeah. And you see how many devotees are there in ISKCON. They're all graduates. Most of them are from IITs, yeah, very superior, institutes. They are highly educated, yeah. They've done their doctoral degrees, yeah. They've done all. How come they can understand Krishna like this and do devotional service? Yeah, how is it possible? Reason is they have knowledge. Yeah, the people who have not studied also, they are also doing devotional service, who have higher knowledge in the material world, lot of degrees, they also doing devotional service to Krishna. What is the reason? They know who Krishna is and they understand and they have that strong faith. Yes, so please don't miss this opportunity. Should we ask Krishna for something that we want to happen and just leave it to Supreme? No, Prabhuji, don't worry. Adya Mataji, I think so. Don't worry at all. Krishna said, I will give them what they lack. I will protect what is with them. The divine nature, the Yoga Maya, she will protect us and see to that we'll do devotion service to Krishna. Don't worry at all. Don't ask anything. He knows what is best. If you know one more thing, in Mahabharata, during the Kurukshetra war, what happened, Krishna told that he will not take up any weapon in his hand, isn't it? Yes or no? Yeah. Did he stand on his words? Did he stand on his words? Any idea? Did he stand on his words? Did he not touch any weapon in that war, in the battlefield? Anyone of you know? No? He did not touch any weapon? No, not at all. Padma Vipriya Mataji, Jaya Mataji, think. He took a very big one. He did not stand on his words. Okay, what did he do? Samya Sri Mataji, no, he did not stand on his words. What he did, yes, Padma Priya Mataji, he took the wheel of a chariot and he was about to put it on Bhishma Dev. Why did he do that? To protect his devotee Arjuna. Yes, he will go to that extent. He will break his own words to protect his devotee. Then why we should worry and ask him? He is the right person to plan for us. He knows what is best for us. He has seen our past, present. He knows our future also. Yeah, we don't know ourselves. We don't know what we will do tomorrow or for any situation, how I'll react. But Krishna knows everything. He knows everything. He knows what is best for you. Why are you worrying? Yeah, give everything to Krishna's hand and just do your duty. He will take care. For example, you are planning for success. You're working hard and you're planning, and you will tell, if I do like this, I'll get success. So success is coming because you're planned and you're working. What about the failures? Did you plan for the failures? What about the sorrows? Did you plan for the sorrows? Yeah, did you work for getting that sorrows, pain, disease, old age, yeah, distress, miseries? Did you plan? They're automatically coming to you, isn't it? You're not expecting it. Yeah, you're not planning for it. You're not working for it, but they're coming. Then why you're thinking that when you're planning for something good, that's happening because you worked and you planned? Not possible, isn't it? What should come to us? At what time? What is right? What is wrong? He knows it. Yes, if you give every authority to his hand, done. Done. What is the difference between Karma Yoga and Bhakti Yoga? I understand Karma Yoga is doing duties, thinking God. I know the question is very basic, but I feel I'm a little confused in this part. Need not be sorry, Mataji. It's my duty to clear your doubt. Yeah. So what is it? I'll give you this example. I always give in my class because it's very simple to understand. Yeah. You go to the market and you see mango. Okay. Many of them like mango or any fruit you like, you just think about it. And you see it's very fresh and it's having a beautiful, aroma. It's looking so, so good that you want to eat it. So you go, you take that mango, you nicely go home, wash it and you eat it. That is karma kanda. You're eating and you will get the results of eating it. Then what you will do? The second way, you will see the same mango. Yeah. What you will do? You will take it. Oh, I want to eat this mango. It is very nice. But I heard Krishna saying, do everything to me. Yeah, do everything as a service to me. So what I will do? I'll cut the mango. Yeah, and I will eat it, telling Krishna, I hate for you. That is what? Karma Yoga. Yeah, and all the results are given to Krishna. But what is Bhakti Yoga? What is Bhakti Yoga? You see the mango. Yeah. And you'll think this mango is so good, I should offer to Krishna. Krishna likes mango. You take that mango, again wash it, cut it nicely, put it in a plate, Krishna's plate, keep a tulsi leaf on that, offer to Krishna and ask Krishna, Krishna, please take it. Give some time. After he eats, you take that plate, you transfer that mangoes to your plate and you eat it as prasadam. That is Bhakti Yoga. You saw the difference? All 3 times you are only going to eat. All the 3 ways you are only going to eat. But the bhava, how you are doing it, that is the difference between karma kanda, karma yoga, bhakti yoga. Bhakti yoga, the devotees of God does everything as service to Krishna. Everything. Everything. Yeah. If they're washing vessel also, they'll think Krishna, Krishna, they chant and wash vessel. They are brooming the house, they think of Krishna, chanting Krishna, they broom. Yeah. So it looks like madness, isn't it? But we are sometimes mad of material things, isn't it? One day you'll see something in the mall or some showroom, or you see some car or a mobile and you think, I want it, I want it. Night and all in the dreams it will come for us, and then we'll go and purchase it, isn't it? So we think about it. But when you know who Krishna is, you will get attached to Krishna and you will do everything to Krishna. So that is Bhakti Yoga, completely surrendering to Krishna and doing devotion service. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? Yes. So today we came to know about the opulences of Sri Krishna. Tomorrow is chapter number 11. The most important chapter again. Till now we had theory class. Okay. Tomorrow we'll have a practical class. Yeah. Krishna was describing about his opulences. Yeah. When Arjuna asked, tomorrow Arjuna is going to ask, I want to see that. You said all of this opulences, no? I want to see it, Krishna. Please. If you think I deserve to see it, can I see? Yeah, he'll request Krishna, and tomorrow Krishna is going to show us the universal form, and we can see what all is there and how many forms Krishna is. Yeah, tomorrow is the practical class. We will see, because Krishna will show what all he said is within him. Yeah, so tomorrow's chapter number 11, is very important again. Hare Krishna. No more doubts? Yes. So what did we learn from today's class? Very important. What will the devotees of Sri Krishna do? They will always keep their mind fixed on Krishna and they get bliss. Yeah. They get that enlightenment. They enjoy by sharing others. Yeah. Discussing about Krishna. So please share this information to your friends and family, whomever you want to have a peaceful life, yeah, happiness. Kindly please share with them so that they also will read Bhagavad Gita. They will also get this enjoyment. See, once a person has this knowledge, they cannot take out Krishna from their heart. Not possible. Yes, might be whatever condition, you don't judge whether that person is right or wrong. Don't judge. Krishna has said this Bhagavad Gita is for everyone. So kindly please tell others also, read Bhagavad Gita. Our next batch, 42nd batch. This is 41 batch, I guess. Yeah, 42nd batch. It's already started. Registration has started. Tell them to join. You can also join again. You can take class with other teachers also. Yeah, you can listen to them. Yeah, they're so wonderful teachers. They're great devotees of Lord. The way they explain the bhava, yeah, so beautifully they'll explain. Yeah, please listen to them. Please listen to them. Yeah, and bring your friends and family, request them to take up these classes. It's for free. We'll try to explain to you in as simple language as possible. Yeah, we'll make it as easy as possible to our limits. Yeah, we'll try our best. Yes, and very important, whoever has attended this level, we have level 2. That will be classes only on weekends. Yeah, only on weekends, and you will get more information about Bhagavad Gita. Whatever I've discussed is very little. Yeah. So please don't miss this opportunity, which is all free. Yeah? Nowhere you will be charged for anything. Everything is free. You just have to give your time for Krishna. That's it. Yeah. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Adya Mataji, Gautam Prabhuji, Nimisha Mataji. Okay. I'm very sorry. I'm going to pronounce your name wrong, so I will keep it very simple. Padma Mataji. Thank you so much, everyone. So if there is no questions, then we shall all meet in tomorrow's class. So if anyone wants to see Krishna, yeah, feel him, how he is, what is all, then please don't miss tomorrow's class. Okay? Yes. Vancha kalpataru vyasya kripa sindhu paya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Shri Krishna arpanamastu. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Roshan Prabhuji. Chaitra Mataji, Hare Krishna. Thank you so much.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.